Hello, this is Motec. I'm Noel Moses, Modern FMD by Moses. In this video, we are going to learn on how to control window data consumption. This has been a great problem to a lot of people. It happened, someone is using window which is connected to data either by mobile hotspot or by using modem, and window operating system is consuming high amount of data. So in this video, I'm going to teach 4 methods on which you can control data usage. I mean high amount consumption of data in a window. So the first method is to control window automatical update. Most of window version like Windows 7, like Windows 8 and Windows 10 are configured to do automatical update so as to improve features. But it happened today window can do update. Also tomorrow window do the same update. So it become like bad usage of data which should be controlled. So the first method is to control Windows update. So at your search bar, type window update. Yeah, the first option as it comes, just click on that. Yeah, after that, go to this option named as advanced option. Click on that. Here you can see automatical download updates is on, so you should turn it off. Turn this option off, as you can see. So that is how you can control window update. So you need to update window whenever or when you need it, but the system should not do automatical update due to the deficit of few data. But if you are working in a great organization which have bandwidth is great in size, you can just set automatic update. But for those who are who are working at home, so that is how you can control Windows update. That is the first method. So second issue or second method to do or to control automatical window update or high data consumption is to control map update. So at your search bar, type map. As the first option comes, click on this manage map updates. Maps are configured to do update because it may happen in different countries and in different places. There is update in map. Let me give one example. Back in the days, there was a country known as UK. It consisted about 3 countries, for maybe if I'm not mistaken. There was Wales, Scotland, and England. So it may happen that one country want to divide, want to break to form 2 different countries. So those updates should be tracked by Windows operating system. If there is any update in the world, Windows should track updates which are already published and make those updates. So if you don't need automatically window map update, this is a way to configure. Here, as you can see, map update. Map is configured to do update automatically. So you can turn it off. That's the second method or the second way on how to control Windows data high consumption. So the third method is to set your Wi-Fi or your any connection, internet connection as metered connection. And why do we say you should set your connection as metered? When you set your connection as a metered connection, is the way to tell your operating system that you have few or you have deficit in data. So you need, window operating system should use slowly your data, and it should not do any update because you have deficit or you have few bandwidth. So if you have connected your computer to the mobile hotspots, this is a way to set metered connection. Click. As you can see here, I'm connected to Motec. This is our router, our Wi-Fi. You can click on that, go to properties, and here you can see you should set it as metered connection. If you see here, metered connection is off, so turn it on. But also, this is a problem, connect automatically when in range. A lot of people have configured their computers to automatically connect in range when their mobile hotspot Wi-Fi is on. So it may happen someone do not use his or her Wi-Fi hotspot in mobile, but it is on. So when Windows detects that this mobile hotspot is on, it connects automatically, and this may cause data consumption or data usage by starting to do update, as it is configured to connect automatically when in range. After making the connection, Windows will start to use your data. So you should turn this connect automatically when in range off. Yeah, that is. Our fourth method or our fourth trick to control high window data consumption is to control automatical file upload. This is done by OneDrive. If you have configured or you are connected to OneDrive, OneDrive will be downloading your different files. You will be downloading your pictures, your photos, and it will make backup. In case your computer crashes or your files are lost, it will be easy for you to sign in Google in OneDrive and do your recovery. But if you have deficit or if you have few bandwidth, you need to disconnect. You don't need this OneDrive to make backup by automatic upload. So on your search bar, write automatic file downloads, this one. So for those using OneDrive, you should deny it, you should stop it. Because I'm not using OneDrive, you can see this option is not working. But make sure if you are using OneDrive, you disconnect it or you disable it to do automatic file downloads. For those who are using OneDrive, yeah, this one, yeah, here you can enter your email and sign in. But if you're not using, it's not an issue. So the last trick or the last way or method to control window high data consumption is to deal with background application. On your search bar, this is your search bar. Yeah, you can type here background apps. Background apps. So these background apps are using your data. So when you are connected to the network, as you can read here is instruction. Choose which apps can receive info, send notification, and stay up to date. The meaning of staying up to date is to do update. So if you have deficit or you have few bandwidth, you can turn off. Maybe if you don't need 3D viewer to use your data or to run a background which causes data consumption, you can turn it off. But if you want all background application to do not use data, you can turn them all off. So that is how you can control high amount of data usage in Windows. We have learned 5 methods. The first method is to control automatical window update. The second method is to control automatical map update. The third method is to control automatical file upload which are uploaded at OneDrive. The third method we have learned is to set as metered connection, and the fourth method we have learned is to control background apps. So this is the end of our video, which was a teaching, or we are getting a lesson on how to control high window data or bandwidth consumption. This is Motech and I'm Noel Moses Modende. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We want to know feedback from you. If you will get on any I mean, if you will face any challenge, do not forget to put comment. Let me know where do you get challenge so that we can go together. Okay, I'm Moses. Bye.